Hi students, welcome to Karnataka Learning Management System. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ ತಮಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. This is the third session for the unit matrices and determinant. Now in the previous session, we learnt about algebra of matrices, second point that is scalar multiplication of a matrix, addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 4 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಲಿತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು algebra of matrices, second point scalar multiplication of a matrix, third point addition of matrices, fourth point subtraction of matrices. These are the 4 points we have learnt in our previous session. Next, in the present session we are going to see product of matrices, transpose of a matrix. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನು ಕಲಿತೀವಿ? product of matrices, second point transpose of a matrix. Now we have to start with product of matrices. ಈಗ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. What is that? First point is product of matrix. A is a matrix of order 2 cross 2, B is a matrix of order 2 cross 3. ನಾವು addition ಮತ್ತು subtraction ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we have seen one condition, that is to add or subtract the matrices, order of matrices must be same. Order of matrices must be same. ಎರಡು ಮಾತೃಕೆಗಳ ಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಸಮನಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎರಡು ಮಾತೃಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸೋಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಳೆಯೋಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಗೆ in the same way to multiply two matrices there is a condition. While multiplying we are going to use row by column method. Therefore the number of columns in A ದಲ್ಲಿದ ಕಾಲಮು equal to number of rows in B. A ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲಮು, B ದಲ್ಲಿದು ರೋ ಎರಡು ಸಮನಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ we can find out A into B. That is to find AB, to find A into B, what is the condition? The number of columns in A must be equal to number of rows in B. A ದಲ್ಲಿನ ಕಂಬ ಸಾಲುಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯು B ದಲ್ಲಿನ ಅಡ್ಡ ಸಾಲುಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಸಮನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? we can find out AB matrix, that is A into B. Here is it possible to find out B into A? We can check B into A. Now number of columns in B is what? 3. Number of rows in A is 2, that not equal. Therefore BA does not exist, because what is the condition? Number of columns in first row matrix must be equal to number of rows in second matrix, which is not possible in case of BA. For given A and B matrices we can find out only AB, but it is not possible to find out B into A. That is the condition for product of matrices. To multiply any two matrices, the number of columns in first matrix equal to number of rows in second matrix. Now we are going to learn how to multiply two matrices. This is the first condition for existence of product. Next, how to multiply two matrices. Let us start with considering AB. Consider A into B equal to, what is A? A is AB CD. First row is AB, second row is CD. B is U V W X Y Z. Now to multiply any two matrices you have to use row by column method. You have to remember row by column. Row of first matrix, column of second. Row of first, column of second. What is the first row is AB. You have to multiply this AB with columns of second B. AB anna elements of that columns of B ಜೊತೆ multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. AB multiply with UX, AB multiply with VY, AB multiply with WZ. First row, first column. First you have to multiply first row with first column. first row with first column, that is AB with UX. Next first row second column, next first row third column, first row first column, first row second column, first row third column. After completing by first row, you have to come to second row. Second row first column, second row second column, second row third column. Now start with is equal to first row first column, AB multiplied with what? UX. A into U, B into X, that is AU plus BX. AU plus BX. Next first row second column, A into V, B into Y. AV plus B into Y. AV plus BY. First row third column, A into W, AB WZ. A into W, B into Z. AW plus BZ. AW plus BZ. First row there are no next columns, you have to close here. This is the first row of resultant matrix. Now result matrix ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು first row. Next we are moving for second row. Here also you have to move for second row. CD UX. CD multiplied with UX. Second row first column, that is C into U, CU plus D into X, DX. CD DX. Second row second column, second row second column, C into V, CV plus D into Y, DY. D into Y, DY. Next CD WZ. Second row third column, second row third column, CD WZ. C into W, D into Z. CW plus DZ. CW plus DZ, that is AB equal to. First ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ, you have to check condition. First, what is the first condition is number of columns in A must be equal to number of rows in B, that is 2 2 2 2. Next you have to multiply row by column method. First row first column, first row second column, first row third column. Next second row first column, second row second column, second row third column. First row first column, AB multiplied with UX. AB multiplied with UX. A into U, B into X, that is AU plus BX. First row second column, AB VY. AB VY. A into V, B into Y, that is AV plus BY. AB WZ. AB WZ. A into W, B into Z. AW plus BZ. Similarly, second row first column, second row second column, second row third column. It is the method to multiply two matrices, and you can observe that the resultant matrix order is 2 cross 3. 2 cross 3. 2 cross 3. Now 2 rows 3 columns. Now in general, if A is a matrix of order m cross n, in general A is a matrix of order m cross n. If B is a matrix of order n cross p, n cross p, in general it is, if A is a matrix of order m cross n, B is a matrix of order n cross p, then AB is a matrix of order m cross p. AB is a matrix of order m cross p. This will demolish, you will get m cross p, not necessary to cancel, that is m cross p. M cross p. Adhe tara, if you take another example, if A is a matrix of order 3 cross 4, B is a matrix of order 4 cross 2, 4 cross 2, then AB is a matrix of order 3 cross 2. AB is a matrix of order 3 cross 2. It is the method to find product of two matrices. Now you can, if you want, you can note down. We are going for another example by taking numbers. Now let us consider another example to understand the concept of product of matrices. Let x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And y equal to 2, minus 1, 0, 3. Now I am going to find out x into y, and also y into x. Now consider x into y equal to, first you have to write, before that you have to check whether xy exists or not. What is the x order is 2 cross 2, y order is 2 cross 2. Number of columns in x equal to 2. Number of rows in y equal to 2. 2 and 2 are equal. Therefore, you can find out x into y. That is, x is 1, 2, 3, 4 into y. Y is 2, minus 1, 0, 3. Now, you have to multiply row by column. First row, first column. First row, second column. Start with first row, first column. What is the first row is 1, 2. First column is 2, 0. 1, 2, 2, 0. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 0, 0. That is plus 0. 2 plus 0. First row, second column. First row, second column. 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 2, minus 1, 3. 1, 2, minus 1, 3. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 2 into 3, 6. That is plus 6. Plus 6. First row, first column over. First row, second column is over. Next, you have to change row. That is second row, first column. 3, 4, 2, 0. 3, 4, 2, 0. 3, 4, 2, 0. 3, 4, 2, 0. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 0, 0. 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0. Next, second row, second column. Second row, second column. That is 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 4 into 3, 12. Minus 3 plus 12. Minus 3 plus 12. X into y is equal to, x into y equal to 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. Minus 1 plus 6, 5. Minus 1, 6, 5. Minus 1 plus 6 is 5. 6 plus 0, 6. Minus 3 plus 12, 9. It is x into y. X into y. Next, we are going to find out y into x. Y into x equal to, first you have to check whether y into x exists or not. Number of columns in y are equal to 2. Number of rows in x equal to 2. 2 rows. 2 columns. In y 2 columns, in x 2 rows. Therefore, they are equal. Therefore, y into x exists. Right? Y value. What is y? 2 minus 1, 0, 3. 2 minus 1, 0, 3 into x. What is x? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to multiply row by column. Is equal to first row, first column. 2 minus 1, 1, 3. 2 minus 1, 1, 3. first row, first column, 2 into 1, 2, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, 2 into 1, 2, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. First row, second column, 2 into 2, 4, minus 1 into 4, minus 4, 4 minus 4, note, 2 into 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4, minus 1 into 4, 4. Next, second row, first column, 0, 3, 1, 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 0 into 1, 0, 3 into 3, 9, plus 9, 0 plus 9. Second row, second column, 0, 3, 2, 4, 0, 3, 2, 4, 0 into 2, 0, 3 into 4, 12, plus 12, plus 12. What is yx equal to 2 minus 3, what? Minus 1. 2 minus 3 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ minus 1. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. What is 0 plus 9? 9. 0 plus 9? 9. 0 plus 12? 12. Now this is yx. xy value, yx value. For the given x and y, you can find out both x and y. You can observe that xy value and yx value, both matrices are different. Orders are same, but elements are different. Therefore, in general, you can write xy is not equal to yx. That is, product of matrices is not commutative. High school alli ಒಂದು ನಿಯಮ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ರಿ, ಪರಿವರ್ತನೀಯ ನಿಯಮ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ xy is not equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ yx. In general, the product of matrices is not commutative. A product of matrices is not commutative. It is, these are the concept related to product of matrices. Next, we are going to learn transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. To learn what is the transpose of a matrix, now let us consider an example. X equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 3 cross 2 matrix. How many rows are there? 3 rows, 2 columns. 1, 2, 3 rows, 2 columns. Now, the transpose of a matrix is denoted by dash symbol, that is like this, x dash, or in place of dash sometimes they are going to use capital T, x power t. Now, how to find transpose of a matrix? A transpose of a matrix andre you have to change rows into column or columns into rows. That is, if for example x dash means it is a transpose of x. You have to change rows into columns. What is the first row? 1, 2. First row is 1, 2. You have to change that into column. Here first row is 1, 2. You have to make it into column. That is 1, 2. Second row 3, 4. You have to change into second column. 3, 4. Third row 5, 6. Change that as column. Third column. You have to change columns into rows or rows into columns, anyone. Then that obtained matrix is called as what? Transpose of a given matrix. Then what is the transpose of a matrix? If x is a matrix, then its transpose is denoted by x dash and is obtained by changing rows into column or column into rows. This is the definition for transpose of a matrix. And you can one thing you can observe that here order is 3 cross 2, it is 2 cross 3. In general, if order of x is m cross n, then what is x dash order is n cross m. m cross n idre transpose order enagutte n cross m. Rows and columns they are going to interchange. It is the definition of transpose of a matrix. How to define in general? If A is a matrix of order m cross n, then A transpose is a matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns, that is denoted by A dash or A power t, and its order is n cross m. What is its order is n cross m. Next, we are going to see some worked examples or worked problems on multiplication and transpose. First example is, if a equal to 132 minus 104 and b equal to 321, then find AB. They are given A and B, you have to find out AB. Before that, you have to check whether AB exists or not. To find AB, you have to check number of columns in A. Number of columns in A are 1, 2, 3. That is 3 columns. B rows, 3 rows. 3, 3 are equal. Therefore, you can find out A into B. Now, start the solution by taking given matrices. Solution. Given matrices. Given. What are the given matrices? A and B. Given A equal to 1, 3, 2, minus 1, 0, 4. Matrix A. Matrix A. And B equal to, and matrix B equal to 3, 2, 1. Matrix B equal to A equal to 2 cross 3 matrix, B equal to 3 cross 1. Therefore, you can find out AB. Now, consider A into B equal to A into B. First, write A matrix. A is 1, 3, 2, minus 1, 0, 4 into B. B is 3, 2, 1. 3 to 1. You have to use which method? Row by column method. You have to just remember row column method. First row, first column. First row, there is no next column, only one column. Then you have to change row. Second row, first column. First multiply first row, first column. What is the first row? First column is 1, 3, 2. First row. What is the 1, 3, 2. First column is 3 to 1. 1 into 3, 3 into 2, 2 into 1. 1 into 3, 3 into 2, 2 into 1. 1, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1 multiplication. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 3, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2, 6. 2 into 1, 2. First row, first column. Next, second row, first column. Second row, first column. Minus 1 into 3, 0 into 2, 4 into 1. Minus 1 into 3, 0 into 2, 4 into 1. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3, 0 into 2, 0, 4 into 1, plus 4. If you get plus 4, you have to write plus 4. Minus 4 bandre minus 4. Which sign you have to write? This is product. Now you have to add. That is AB is equal to 3 plus 6 plus 2. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Minus 3 plus 0 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 0, minus 3 plus 4, that is 1. 11, 1. 11, 1. It is the AB product. First step, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ? Write down given matrix A and B. Then consider A into B. Write matrix A ಬರೀತೀರಾ, B ಬರೀತೀರಾ. Next, first row ತೊಗೊಂಡು first column multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Second row, first column. First row, first column elements. Second row, first column. Then simply add. If you want, you can note down. Next, we are moving for example 2. Example 2 is, if A equal to 2, 3, 2, 5, then find A square. That is, what is A square? A into A. Now, start with solution by taking given matrix. What is given is matrix A equal to 2, 3, 2, 5. Matrix A equal to 2, 3, 2, 5. Now, you have to consider A square. Consider A square. What is A square is? A into A. A square is written as A into A. You have to substitute A value and A value, that is 2 3 2 5 matrix A, 2 3 2 5 matrix A. A into A, that is row by column. Take first row, first column. What is first row? 2 3. First column 2 2. 2 3 multiplied with 2 2. 2 into 2 3 into 2. 2 into 2 4. 3 into 2 6. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6. First row, second column 2 3 3 5. 2 3 3 5. 2 into 3 6. 3 into 5 15. 6 plus 15. Next, second row 2 5. First column. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. 2 5 2 2. 2 into 2 4. 5 into 2 10. 4 plus 10. Second row, second column. Second row, second column. 2 into 5, 2 5 3 5. 2 into 3 6 plus 5 into 5 25. 5 into 5 25. 2 into 3 6. 5 into 5 25. A square is equal to 6 plus 4 10. 6 plus 15 21. 4 plus 10 14. 6 plus 25 31. It is the value of A square. First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Write given matrix A equal to 2 3 2 5. Next consider A square equal to A into A. Substitute A value. A value. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? First row, first column. First row, second column. Next second row, first column. Second row, second column. 2 3 2 2. 6 plus 4 plus 6. 6 plus 15. 2 5 2 2. 4 plus 10. 2 5 3 5. 6 plus 25. Answer is 10 21 14 31. It is value of A square. You can note down. Next we are moving for example 3. Example 3 is, if A equal to 3 2 4 5, then show that A square minus 8A plus 7I equal to 0 matrix. For this problem we are going to start with LHS to get RHS. LHS ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು RHS equal to ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. For that, start the solution with considering given matrix. Solution: given A equal to 3 2 4 5. 3 2 4 5. Now I am going to start with taking LHS, that is consider LHS is equal to A square minus 8A plus 7I. A square minus 8A plus 7I. What is A square means? A into A. What is A value? A value is 3 2 4 5. A value is 3 2 4 5 into A. Again 3 2 4 5. A square ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A into A minus 8A. Minus 8. A is 3 2 4 5. 3 2 4 5. A square ಅಂದರೆ A into A minus 8A plus 7I plus 7. What is I? I is a unit matrix of order 2. Now of unit matrix of order 2, that is written as 1 0 0 1. Unit matrix or identity matrix. In definition we have learned what is the meaning of unit matrix. Now first multiply A into A. then 8 into A, then 7 into I. First to multiply A into A, follow row by column method, that is first row first column, 3 2 3 4, 3 2 3 4. Next first row second column, first row first column is 3 into 3 9, 2 into 4 8, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. Next first row second column, first row second column, 3 2 2 5, 3 into 2 6, 2 into 5 10, 6 plus 10, 4 5 3 4, 4 5 3 4. Second row first column, 4 into 3 12, 5 into 4 20, 12 plus 20, 12 plus 20. Next second row second column, 4 into 2 8, 5 into 5 25. That is second row second column, second row second column, 4 into 2 8, 5 into 5 25, minus 8 into matrix A, that is 8 into 3 24, 8 into 3 24, 8 into 2 16, 8 into 4 32, 8 into 4 40. You have to multiply all elements by 8. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನು 8ರಿಂದ ಗುಣಾಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 7, 7 into 1 7, 7 into 0 0, 7 into 0 0, 7 into 1 7. Now A into A value, 8 into A value, 7 into 1 value. Next add these two, that is equal to LHS is equal to 9 plus 8 17, 9 plus 8 17, 6 plus 10 16, 12 plus 20 32, 8 plus 25 33. This is A square, minus keep other two terms as it is, 24 16 32 40 plus 7 0 0 7 as it is. Last two terms as it is. Now you can add all three at a time or simplify first two first, then plus with last term. Now I am going to simplify first two matrices, that is first two term, 17 minus 24, 16 minus 16, 32 minus 32, 33 minus 40. What is 17 minus 24? Minus 7. 16 minus 16 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0, 32 minus 13 0, 32 minus 32 0, 33 minus 40 minus 7. That is LHS is equal to 17 minus 24. 17 minus 24 is what? Minus 7. 16 minus 16 0. Next 32 minus 32 0. 33 minus 40 minus 7, that is 0 minus 7 plus last term as it is. What is the last term is 7 0 0 7, 7 0 0 7. Now add these two matrices. Minus 7 plus 7 0, minus 7 plus 7 is 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, minus 7 plus 7 0. All elements are equal to 0. Therefore that is a 0 matrix, that is O. It is denoted by O. That is LHS is equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. What is our conclusion in last? Therefore A square minus 8A plus 7I equal to 0 matrix. This is true. A square minus 8A plus 7I equal to 0 matrix. If you want, can note down. Next, we are moving for example 4. Example 4 is, if A equal to 1 5 minus 2 3, then find A plus A dash. Now, illivarige 3 problem idalla. Those are the problems based on product. Now, we are moving for problems based on transpose. Now, start the solution by taking given matrix. Solution: given matrix A equal to 1 5 minus 2 3. A equal to 1 5 minus 2 3. What you have to find out? A plus A dash. First you have to find out A dash. A dash means what? Transpose of A. That is, which implies as A dash equal to write A dash, you have to change rows into columns. First row is 1 5. Make it as a first column. 1 5 row iddanna column ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Second row minus 2 3. Second column is minus 2 3. It is A dash. Next you have to find out A plus A dash. Consider A plus A dash, that is equal to, substitute A value and A dash value. What is A value is 1 5 minus 2 3 plus, right, A dash value. What is A dash is 1 minus 2 5 3. A value plus A dash value. Now I am going to write directly. That is by skipping one step. That is directly, what is A plus A dash? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 5 plus minus 2. 5 plus minus 2. That is 3. 5 plus minus 2 is what? 3. Minus 2 plus 5. 3. Minus 2 plus 5. 3. 3 plus 3. 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. It is A plus A dash. First you have to find out A dash, then you have to find out A plus A dash. If you want, you can note down. Next, we are moving for example 5. Example 5 is, if A equal to 2 3 1 5, then find A into A dash. First you have to find out A dash, then A into A dash. Now, solution: given matrix A equal to, what is given is 2 3 1 5. A equal to 2 3 1 5. Next you have to find out A dash. Change rows into columns. That implies as A dash equal to, first row ಏನಿದೆ 2 3. Make it as first column 2 3. Second row 1 5 1 5. Second column. This is your A dash. Now consider A into A dash. A into A dash. Write A value and A dash value. What is A value is 2 3 1 5. A is 2 3 1 5. A dash 2 1 3 5. 2 1 3 5. Now to multiply row by column method. First row, first column. That is, first row is 2 3. First column is 2 3. 2 into 2 4. 3 into 3 9. 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9. First row, second column. 2 into 1. 3 into 5. That is 2 plus 15. 2 plus 15. 2 into 1 2. 3 into 5 15. Next, second row, first column. Second row, first column. 1 into 2. 2. 5 into 3 15. 2 plus 15. 2 plus 15. Second row, second column, second row, second column, 1 into 1, 1, 5 into 5, 25, that is 1 plus 25, 1 plus 25. Add the elements, a into a dash, that is 4 plus 9, 13, 2 plus 15, 17, 2 plus 15, 17, 1 plus 25, 26. This is a into a dash. First ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ, take given matrix as a, that is given is what, a, consider given matrix a, then find out a dash by changing rows into columns, then consider a into a dash, a ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ a dash, then first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column, multiplication, then a into a dash. This is the example 5. Next we are moving for example 6. Example 6 is, if x2 4y into matrix 3 1 equal to matrix 8 7, then find x sin y. The given condition is product of two matrices in left hand side equal to right hand side another matrix. By using this condition, you have to find out values of x sin y. Now start the solution by considering given condition. What is given? ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ x2 4y into 3 1 equal to 8 7. 8 7. First you have to multiply matrices in left hand side. Matrices in left hand side, that is first row first column, first row first column. But that is first row first column is 3 into x 2 into 1, 3 into x 2 into 1, x into 3 2 into 1 is 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2. Second row first column, 4 into 3 12, y into 1 y, that is 12 plus y is equal to 8 7. Now left hand side one matrix, right hand side one matrix, both orders are same. In between there is a equal sign. By definition of equality, corresponding elements are equal. ಎರಡು ಮಾತ್ರಿಕಗಳು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಅನುರೂಪ ಅಂಶಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಏನಿರಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಮನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೈ equality of matrices, by equality of matrices, what you are going to get, 3x plus 2 equal to 8. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 12 plus y equal to 7. 3x plus 2 equal to 8 and 12 plus y equal to 7. Corresponding elements same. 3x plus 2 element is equal to 8, 12 plus y equal to 7. That is 3x equal to what you are going to get, 8 minus 2. ಈ plus 2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 2. What is 3x equal to? 8 minus 2 is 6. X equal to 6 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. X equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2. Now 3x equal to 6, 3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 3 ಒಂದಲೇ 3 ಎರಡಲೇ, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. That is x equal to 2. Now similarly y equal to plus 12, that right hand side 7 minus 12. What is y equal to, minus 5. X equal to 2, y equal to minus 5. X equal to 2, y equal to minus 5. This is the solution for x sin y. Next we are going to see some assignment problems. The assignment problems are, if a equal to 1 minus 2 3 2 0 1 and b equal to 1 0 2 3 3 1, then you have to find out ab. First example ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, a ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, b ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, you have to find out ab. In second example, if x equal to and y equal to given, you have to find out x into y. Substitute value of x, y, get the value of x into y. Third example, they asked if a equal to, then find a square. A is given, you have to find out a square. How to find a square? A into a. Fourth example, if a equal to 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, then show that a square equal to 3a. A square equal to 3a. Separately find out left hand side matte right hand side. A square anna separate find out ಮಾಡಿ, give equation 1. 3a separately find out, give equation number 2. Compare these two, you will get same values, therefore a square equal to 3a. Or after getting multiplying a square, a into a, take 3 common from all elements. You are going to get all elements 3 common, then you are going to get 3a. Next, fifth example is, if a equal to 2 3 2 5 and b equal to 1 4 2 3, then verify that AB is not equal to BA. A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, you have to verify AB is not equal to BA. First find out AB, then find out BA, check whether AB is equal to BA or not. Definitely you are going to get AB is not equal to BA. Next, sixth example is, if A equal to 1 minus 1 2 5, then find A into A dash. First find out A dash, then find out A into A dash. Seventh example, if A equal to 1 0 3 2 minus 1 4 and B equal to minus 3 1 0 2 4 1, then find AB dash. First you have to find out B dash, then A into B dash. A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, you have to find out AB dash. First find out B dash separately, then find out A into B dash. Example 8, if x equal to 1 minus 2 3 0 and y equal to 2 minus 1 3 5, then find xy whole dash. Xy whole dash means first you have to find out x into y, then it's a transpose. Ninth one, if a equal to 1 minus 2 3 2 0 1 and b equal to 3 minus 1 2 0 1 5, then verify that a plus b whole dash equal to a dash plus b dash. First find out left hand side. First step is a plus b find out madre, then find out a plus b transpose, that is a plus b dash whole dash, give it as equation number 1. Next find out a transpose separately, b transpose separately, add a dash plus b dash, equation number 2. LHS equation 1 ಅಂತ find out ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, RHS ಅನ್ನ equation 2, ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ a plus b whole dash equal to a dash plus b dash. Last example, if matrix 2 1 x 3 matrix 2 y equal to that column matrix 7 5, then find the values of x sin y. Condition is given, by using that condition you have to find out values of x sin y. These are some assignment problems. Next we are moving for multiple choice questions. First one is, if A is a matrix of order 3 cross 2, B is a matrix of order 2 cross 3, then AB is a matrix of order, 4 options are given. That is, it depends upon condition for product of two matrices. What is the order of A is? A order is 3 cross 2. What is B order is? 2 cross 3. 2 cross 3. Number of columns in A is 2. Number of columns in B is, rows is 2. Number of columns in A is equal to 2. Number of rows in B is equal to 2. Both are equal. Therefore, A into B exists. This is the first one. What is the order andaga? If you remove it, 3 cross 3. What is the order is? 3 cross 3. AB is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. Therefore, that is option C is a correct option. Option C is a correct option. Now, second multiple choice question. If matrix 2 5 x 3 into 1 2 is equal to matrix 12 5. Then what is the value of x? Then x equal to, you have to find out. You have to multiply row by column. First row, first column, it does not contain x. I am not going to multiply. First row, second column, that is x3, or can multiply 2 into 1 2, 5 into 2 10, 2 plus 10, x3 1 2, x into 1 x plus 3 into 2 6 is equal to 12 5, 12 5, that is 2 plus 10 12. By equality of matrices, x plus 6 equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5, x plus 6 equal to 5. What is x equal to? 5 minus 6, x equal to minus 1. x plus 6 equal to what? 5. x plus 6 equal to 5. 6 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ minus 6. x equal to 5 minus 6. x equal to what? 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Therefore, option B is a correct option. To see true or false statement. Identify the following statement is true or false. First one, the product of two matrices is commutative. Now, in one example you have seen xy is not equal to BA, that is product is not commutative. Therefore, this statement is a false statement. Second one, the transpose of an identity matrix is again an identity matrix. If you take an identity matrix, if you change rows into columns or columns into rows, definitely we are going to get again an identity matrix. Therefore, it is a true statement. These are the two examples on that stating whether it is a true or false statement. Now, in this session we have learnt, that is we discussed multiplication of matrices, transpose of a matrix. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ನೌ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ evaluation of determinants, singular matrices, problems on finding unknown variable. These are the points we are going to see in next session. Thank you.